Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix two finger right click not working on Mac Trackpad. So if you are trying to right click with two fingers and nothing happens, there must be two reasons. The first one is maybe you have accidentally disabled the feature, or you might be set the secondary click to a different gesture. For example, your Mac may be configured to use one of the corner click option instead. To fix this issue, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system settings. Now here, scroll down and then go to track and then click on the drop down menu right to secondary click. And if you have previously chosen off, then you must choose click with two fingers. And if you have either chosen click in the bottom right corner or in the bottom left corner, then also you need to simply choose click with two fingers. And that's it. So from now on, whenever you need to secondary click, you can simply press with two fingers on your trackpad and the gesture will activate it. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.